Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm David Sugarman and I'm here to help you speak real, natural English without the confusion and without the boring stuff. Today, we're looking at a super useful and often misunderstood part of English grammar. So and neither. We use so to agree with positive statements. For example, I love coffee. And you want to agree with that person that says, I love coffee. So you want to say back, so do I. We use neither to agree with negative ones, like, I don't like rainy days. And then you say back, neither do I. It's a small part of English, but when you get this right, you sound confident, fluent, and natural. Plus, you'll avoid some really common mistakes that even advanced learners still make. This video is part of a full series I've designed for you, whether you're learning with me one-on-one, in a group, or with one of my amazing teachers. These short lessons are perfect for reviewing what we've done in class or learning something new at your own pace. And hey, if you want to practice what you learned today, head over to davidenglish.info. I've got quizzes and exercises there that go hand in hand with this lesson. All right, let's dive in and master so and neither like a native speaker. So and neither. We use so to express that we agree with a positive statement. We use the same modal verb as in the original sentence. Pay close attention. Structure. It's so, the modal verb, and then I. Example, she loves hiking. Loves is a verb. We're in the present simple. We want to say, so do I. We use neither when we want to show someone we feel the same about, but in a negative statement. Structure, it's neither, modal verb, and I. Example, he doesn't like spicy food. You want to say, neither do I. Okay, let's start with the exercises. These sentences. Remember, this is someone that you're talking to and they say this and you're agreeing with them in a positive way or in a negative way. Pay close attention to the modal verb. See if it's in the past, in the present, or in the future. Let's go. Directions. Agree to the following statement. I traveled to Europe last summer. This is in the past simple. The answer is, so did I. Repeat after me. So did I. Very good. Number 2, I won't forget that amazing trip. I won't forget that amazing trip. That's in the future, and this is a negative statement. You want to use the word neither, and you want to say, neither will I. Repeat after me. Neither will I. Let's go to number 3. I enjoyed the play we saw last week. We're in the past simple here. The answer is, when you agree, you want to say, so did I. I also enjoyed the play we saw last week. Number 4, I don't plan on attending the meeting tomorrow. I don't plan on attending the meeting tomorrow. Now here, it's a little tricky. We're using the present simple for the future. I didn't know if you knew that. We can use the present simple for scheduled times, so it's okay. So I don't plan on attending the meeting tomorrow. It's negative. You want to say, neither do I. Repeat after me. Neither do I. Let's go to number 5. I watched that documentary last night. This is in the past. The answer is so did I. It's positive. So did I. Directions. Agree to the following statement. Number 6. I won't be able to make it to the party. Now, this is future simple. I won't be able to make it to the party. It's negative. You want to say, neither will I. Number 7. I used to play soccer in high school. That means I don't play soccer anymore, but I used to play soccer in high school. And you want to agree with this person. So you want to say, so did I. So did I. Number 8. I haven't read that book yet. I haven't read that book yet. Now, number 8, it's in present perfect. We know that because of the word yet. Just remember, that's a good tip. And I haven't read the book yet means, well, how about I agree with that person and say, you can say, I haven't read that book either, but we want to say, neither have I. Neither have I. Number 9, I'm looking forward to the concert next month. Well, this here we see it says, I am looking forward. I am. So here we want to say, so am I. That means that I am also looking forward to the concert next month. So repeat after me. So am I. Very good. Number 10. I didn't enjoy that movie at all. So it's negative, and you also didn't enjoy it. So you want to say, neither did I. Neither did I. Directions. Agreed to the following statement. Remember, guys, this is great review because right now, I see here, even number 11, we have the present perfect progressive. I've been wanting to learn Spanish. Yes, that's okay to say that. I've been wanting to learn Spanish. So when you agree with this person, you want to say, so have I. So have I. 12, I probably won't join the gym this year. I probably won't join the gym this year. It's negative. It's in the future simple. And you want to also say that you also won't join the gym. So you want to say, neither will I. Neither will I. Number 13, I tried that new restaurant last weekend. Now that's in the past simple. So it's in the past simple here. So you want to say that you also tried this, right? So you want to say, so did I. So did I. Number 14, I am going to start a new hobby soon. Again, this is future simple, but with going to. So it's kind of this person's plan. And you also have this plan. I'm going to start a new hobby soon. So you want to say, so am I. So am I. Number 15, I forgot my friend's birthday last year. Forgot is in the past simple. And let's say that you also forgot your friend's birthday last year. So you want to say, so did I. So did I. All right. We're going to do the next 5. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up and a like. And let's continue doing this and excelling and getting better, and share this with a friend that needs help with this. This is very good for conversations. 16, I won't be able to attend the wedding. So it's negative in the future. So you want to say, neither will I. Neither will I, for agreement. Number 17, I finished that book in one day. What do you think? Well, I finished that book in one day. You want to say, so did I. That means that you also read that book in one day. Number 18, I can't believe we're moving next month. Now, pay close attention to the word can here. I can't believe goes to neither can I. Neither can I. I also can't believe it. Number 19, I used to love ice cream as a kid, but I don't anymore, right? So I used to love it, and now I don't. But you want to say, so did I. So did I. And 20, I plan on visiting my family next holiday. I plan. This is future, but in the present simple, because plan is in the present simple form. There's no ing there. It's not in the past. I plan. You do too. So you want to say, so do I, so do I. Here you can create positive statements about yourself. Encourage your group to respond in agreement with your statements. So you could practice this with a friend. You can say, for example, I want to go to a movie later, and then have your friend practice with you. So do I. Say a sentence like, tomorrow I'm going to the beach. So will I. Really, practice with your friends. Here are the answers to everything we have done. If you want to self-check yourself. Again, if you want similar exercises, you should be going to davidenglish.info to do more, and you'll get better. The more you do, the better you're going to get. Here are the answers from 11 to 20. For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. You can find me on YouTube, as you can see. Please give me a comment, share this with a friend, come to my LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and welcome to the David English Academy. I'll see you in the next video in the series. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level, where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.